Hi, David here from More4apps. One of the things that people want to always be able to do is default data on cells. It's really simple and easy to do. In row 10, enter the data you wish to default. And if the cell's blank, like these headers, it will default the data in for you. Same for the line level here, you can see, so it does it for the parent, grandparent, etc. We've got dates we're defaulting, and you can use formulas as well in the defaulting, and those formulas will be applied relatively to the row, to those cells below. If we use the data form here, the defaulting will be invoked, and you'll see there that the header information has now been put into that purchase order. Across the lines, the schedules, and the distributions, the same defaulting information has also been applied. Now if we want to just go and upload the entire lot, we just press the upload selected. It'll do the defaulting first and then call Oracle's web service to do the import. So you can see how defaulting is so easy using More4apps. So thanks for watching this video. I'll be creating more videos like this to show you the real advantages of using More4apps for your cloud ERP data entry.